this video. Now, if we look at the screen here, we can see that we've got a list of programmers, and there's a list that are at the top here, which is the programmers found in use, but they're in italics, look. And if it's in italics, it means it's not installed. So this proves the installation isn't valid. And so this is a version 5.04. It is available. You can download it, but it will be in the new release. But this is a sort of proof that it's not working at all, and that's confirmed by the red line in the IDE. So I'm just going to press OK. So that's the top of the list anyway. I need it at the top of the list for it to work. Okay, so how am I going to fix this? Function key F4 in the IDE. GC Studios, select GC Studio settings, and it will open up the settings dialog. And here it is. It says bottom left, clone PICKitPlus tool. So this tool will clone an existing installation and then place it correctly inside your GC Studio installation. So you've got to find where it's installed. I've got it installed in My Apps, and there's a folder called PICKitPlus. I don't know where people do it. So down here I've got the folder PICKitPlus. Select folder, and it's now cloned it successfully. I can now, what I can do, I can press function key F4, edit preferences, and we can have a look. And all of a sudden, look, this is no longer in italics. It's installed correctly. And down the bottom, there's a whole load of others, which I try and show you on this screen. Just depends how it's going to play. Nope. There is others that are defined down here, not installed. That's because they're not installed, but you can see PICKitPlus is installed. You've got all these different options. Now, this is also sorted nowadays, and it's a little bit better to use. But anyway, back to our program that we're trying to compile here.